Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about transistor. A transistor is a device that controls the movement of electrons, that is electricity. With this electricity use this we can use this transistor as switch or an amplifier. Okay? And coming to this symbol of this, this is a base, collector, emitter, and this is PNP transistor and this NPN transistor. Definition is device controls electricity. Okay, and coming to the symbols, we have two different types of transistors, PNP and NPN. These are PNP transistor and this is NPN transistor. Coming to the diode analogy, these are made up of, internally it has two diodes. Transistor is made up of two diodes. As you know, transistor is a two-terminal device. This is the one terminal, this is the one terminal, and this is the one terminal, and this is the one terminal of this second diode, and this is a common terminal. This emitter, this collector, and this is base. This is a PNP transistor notation in diode analogy, and this is a base, collector, emitter. This is NPN transistor. This is in two diode analogy notation. This is circuit symbol. This one in circuit symbol. And depending upon physical construction, we can notate these PNP and NPN diodes like this: P and P, P and P, and another one N, P, N. Okay. This is a P, N, P, N, P, N. This is a base, this is emitter, and this is a collector. This is PNP, and this one is NPN, emitter, collector, base. This is NPN transistor. This is a symbol of PNP and NPN transistor depending upon construction. And coming to the other topics, as a transistor has three terminals, we can connect this transistor in three different ways in a circuit. That is common base or common emitter or common collector. That is if you take common base collector, the base is common for input and output in this configuration. In emitter common emitter configuration, emitter is common between input and output. In collector, collector is common between input and output in a circuit. So these are the three configurations. That means we can connect a transistor in three different ways in a circuit. Because it has three terminals, we can connect in three different ways. And coming to the next, the ratings of this transistor. It has some special voltage ratings: breakdown voltage, maximum voltage, reverse voltage, something. Basically, breakdown voltage is the first one. This is the maximum voltage a transistor can handle for each of its three junctions. That means maximum voltage that can be applied across these three junctions of the transistor. Maximum voltage that a transistor can withstand as we apply higher voltages across its junctions, CB junction or base junction. And coming to the advantages of these transistor, this transistor can be used as mentioned earlier, it can be used as switch or an amplifier. In switch, it can be open switch or closed switch. And the most major application of this transistor is a amplifier. Amplifier, which means a low level input is low level. If you apply a low voltage signal to this transistor, it can be converted to high level voltage. That is amplifying, that is boosting the voltage. And coming to the disadvantages, these are coming with some special packages like ICs. If it comes in the IC package, if something goes wrong, then entire IC should be replaced in the circuit. For example, take an IC. The IC made up of millions of transistors. If one transistor goes wrong in the internally we have millions of transistors in an IC. So if one transistor goes wrong, then this entire IC should be replaced with a new one in the circuit. So these are major different drawback is these transistors. And these manufacturing techniques also very complex in these manufacturing these transistors. And coming to applications, these applications of switch and amplifier. Boosting signals. And this is about transistor and its applications and the advantages, disadvantages, the ratings. This is about the transistor. Thank you.